In this video, I will help you find the best cat ear headphones in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Brookstone Accentwear cat ear headphones, best for variety of features. Brookstone Accentwear cat ear headphones truly stand out as a top choice for those seeking a blend of style and functionality in their audio accessories. These headphones not only look amazing with their unique cat ear design and customizable LED lights, but they also deliver an immersive audio experience. The sound quality is impressive, with clear highs and deep lows, making them suitable for both gaming and music enthusiasts like me. The noise isolation technology ensures that I can fully enjoy my music without any disturbances. Additionally, the comfort and fit of these headphones are exceptional. The adjustable headband and soft ear cushions provide long-wearing comfort, perfect for extended listening sessions. I appreciate the lightweight design that allows me to wear them for hours without any discomfort. The added bonus of foldability makes them easy to store when not in use. Overall, Brookstone Accentwear cat ear headphones combine style, comfort, and great sound quality, making them a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a unique audio accessory. At number 4, we have Razer Kraken Kitty, best for gaming. When it comes to gaming headphones that perfectly blend style and functionality, the Razer Kraken Kitty stands out as the top choice for gamers looking to elevate their audio experience. These headphones not only offer a unique and stylish design with cat ears and customizable RGB lighting, but also deliver exceptional sound quality. The immersive audio experience, clear highs, and deep lows make every gaming session more captivating. One of the standout features of the Razer Kraken Kitty is its comfort and fit. With an adjustable headband, soft ear cushions, and a lightweight design, these headphones are ideal for long gaming sessions. The noise isolation technology ensures that you stay focused on your game without any distractions. Additionally, the Razer Kraken Kitty provides convenient connectivity options with both Bluetooth and wired modes. The built-in microphone allows for clear communication during multiplayer games. Overall, these headphones offer a perfect blend of style, functionality, and comfort, making them a top choice for gamers who want the best of both worlds. At number 3, we have Somic G951, best for gaming. For gamers seeking an immersive audio experience with a perfect balance of style and functionality, the Somic G951 headphones offer a compelling choice. These headphones deliver crystal-clear sound with deep bass and crisp highs, making them ideal for gaming and music enthusiasts alike. The noise isolation technology immerses you in your game, blocking out distractions for a truly captivating experience. Comfort is key during long gaming sessions, and the Somic G951 doesn't disappoint. With an adjustable headband, soft ear cushions, and a lightweight design, you can enjoy hours of gameplay without discomfort. The foldable design adds convenience for storage or travel, catering to different head sizes with ease. In terms of connectivity, these headphones offer both Bluetooth and wired modes, giving you the flexibility to use them with various devices. The built-in microphone allows for hands-free calls, adding to the functionality. Additionally, the customizable LED light patterns add a touch of style to your gaming setup. Experience the perfect blend of performance and aesthetics with the Somic G951 headphones. At number 2, we have Reebok CT7S cat ear Bluetooth headphones, best for kids. As we shift our focus to the Reebok CT7S cat ear Bluetooth headphones, designed with kids in mind, the blend of whimsical aesthetics and practical functionality takes center stage. These headphones not only look adorable with their cat ear design and LED lights, but also deliver a quality sound experience perfect for young ears. The adjustable headband ensures a comfortable fit for kids of different ages, and the soft ear cushions allow for extended wear without discomfort. With both Bluetooth and wired connectivity options, these headphones provide flexibility for various devices and situations. The built-in microphone enables hands-free calls, adding to the headphones' functionality. Parents will appreciate the durability of the CT7S, as they're designed to withstand the wear and tear of daily use by energetic kids. Overall, the Reebok CT7S cat ear Bluetooth headphones offer a fun and practical audio accessory for children, combining style, comfort, and performance seamlessly. At number 1, we have iClever Kids cat ear headphones, best for kids. With the iClever Kids cat ear headphones, young music enthusiasts can enjoy a blend of playful design and high-quality sound tailored specifically for their ears. These headphones not only look adorable with the cat ear design, but also deliver impressive sound quality that kids will love. The adjustable headband ensures a comfortable fit for children of different ages, and the soft ear cushions make extended wear enjoyable. The lightweight and foldable design make them easy to carry around or store when not in use. These headphones offer both Bluetooth and wired connectivity options, giving kids the freedom to move around without being tethered to their device. The built-in microphone allows for hands-free calls, adding to the functionality of these headphones. The LED lights are customizable, adding a fun element to the listening experience. Overall, the iClever Kids Cat Ear headphones are a great choice for parents looking for a durable, comfortable, and stylish option for their children.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.